She's trying to think of something funny.
You're like you're doing perfect splits.
She does.
Mama,
Look at her leg.
I know. Mama, you're right. You're like doing perfect splits.
I know. What's wrong, Ash? Oh, you take a picture?
I'm videotaping it.
Oh,
Yeah. We need a air pumping song.
yeah.
Hey, pumping song.
One that won't get us.
Ash, you're gonna get us in trouble. You're going down.
We made it with waking someone up. Guess who we love It's hard.
There was this air mattress on sale. It's $14.99, but it takes 5 hours to blow up. It says get to your campground like 5 hours early just to.
Yeah, because you have to.
Yeah. Just to take an air break.
Ash, is that good?
No. I bet it. You're gonna sweating to that. Down. Slide. Okay? So, up. Down. Slide. Slide. Okay. The other day when we were pumping this stuff,
Oh shit.
you get to do more pumping. The other day when we were pumping this stuff,
Yeah.